Alright, hello YouTube. So today in KSP we're not going to do any flying, at least yet we're not. But I want to check out something really cool, which is, now as we all know, the planets have a certain orbit. Like Mimas has a 46 million meter orbit above Kerbin. And Kerbin's like, I don't know how many kilometers away it is from the sun. But anyway, point is, I found out you can edit these. Very simple. You can little mod hyper edit. Now, the last time I checked, the download version is for 0.19, but it does work for 0.20. I've been using it for quite a while now on 0.20. Well, since 0.20 came out. So, anyway, edit an orbit. So, I was just playing around with the moon a second ago. So, it's already selected here. So, just to do this, I go to the tracking station, for example, hit select orbit to edit, and pick you a body, a celestial body, like the moon, or mun. I go to graphical because it's a whole lot easier, and there we go. As you can see, Mimas is still the same on its almost equilateral orbit, while the moon is, well, it's way off. Let's go ahead and take that back down. That's about right, it looks like. And let's change the periaps so we can make it really small. Well, that's the period, not periaps. Anyway. And right now it's only at 1 million meters above Earth. Or Kerbin, sorry. 500,000 meters. That looks a whole lot closer just because of the size of it. So, basically, when I started recording, I exited the tracking station. Actually, right before I started recording, I exited the tracking station, and when I came back, as you guys could see, the moon was back in its proper place. So we're going to test a little theory. As you can see right here, it's at 500,000 meters. So we're going to close these windows out. Alright, we're going to exit this. Back to the tracking station. Now, it probably is back to its regular orbit, which it is. So, we're going to try one thing. And I'm kind of curious to see how it works. We're going to take the Soviet pack, the Soyuz, and what's this? Oh yeah, I have a thread on the forums of the data of the planets, the atmospheric pressure, the temperature, and the gravitational pull of the planets. And I just got done doing the planets, which was a rather interesting experience. So that's what I was using to record the data with. So let's just load the Soyuz up real quick. Soyuz. Here we go. Alright. So, we're just going to launch this. And, yeah, okay. Just going to launch it into an orbit, and then we're going to go and we're going to edit the moon's orbit while we're in flight and see what happens. And this is the first time I've ever really toyed around with editing planetary orbits, so there's a high chance we will crash the game. I mean, a high chance. Alright. Just go ahead and throttle it up as soon as it loads. And I think I mentioned this in my the loading video that I put up the other day. What is the difference between the Soyuz U, Soyuz TMA, and Progress? If anyone could please clarify what the difference is between those three, I'd really appreciate it, because I have no clue. Let's see here. You know what? There we go, let's do this. It's a whole lot quicker. And as you can see, the launch escape system is still up on the front. So now there is the moon, right there, just below the sun. And that right there is a really cool looking image. And I'm going to take a screenshot of that. Let's just go... Alright, there we go. So anyway... now we got that settled. let's go here to hyperedit and edit an orbit. Let's go to the map here. We'll bring it to the side. We don't need that at the moment. Alright, so we're going to select an orbit. Let's go with the moon. Graphical. So now basically our ship is at a 70,000 meter orbit. We bring in the moon down to... How close can we get? Oh god. What did I just do? Huh. I don't know. Well, I think I put Kerbin orbiting the moon now, and then we're on a... Oh no, okay, we're in the moon's sphere of influence instead of Kerbin's now. Okay, so let's just go ahead and bring that down some more. 457. I don't think I can bring it down much closer without it touching. Oh god, that is close. Alright, so I really wish I had McJeb one here right about now. Would help a crap load. Alright, so let's just turn retrograde to make sure we don't escape the influence, gravitational pull of whatever planet we are orbiting right now. Because well, that's interesting also, though. I see now that we are much farther away from Kerbin than previously. So let's just go ahead and see what happens. Alright. Alright, let's try... Let's go with 50,000 meter orbit around the moon. Okay, yes, this is what I wanted. Okay. Good. So now, from right here, we should be able to see the planet Earth being extremely... Oh my god! Alright, this is like Star Wars or something. And again, another excellent picture. And if you see little breaks in the video, it is because, if I recall correctly, the boss plug-in, which records screenshots and stuff, is toggled with Z. I'm not sure though if you have to have the bolt, the part to do it or not. So I just went ahead and hit Z just in case. And Z is my recording key. So yeah, you might see a little break in the video there, so... Alright. So yeah, this is kind of like really creepy, just seeing it this close. So what I'm going to do in a moment is, what's that? 200,000 meters. Okay, so I'm going to wait until it gets on the sun side of the Earth, and then, oh god, I don't think I can wait, because our orbit puts us on a collision course with... Alright then. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go at an orbit. We're going to go to Kerbin's sphere of influence and go to, let's say, 200,000. Unknown body. What do you mean unknown? Oh, Kerbin. And that puts on an escape trajectory of what? I don't want a Kerbin escape. Oh my god. Okay, well then. I'm just gonna go to 8, 10, 1, 2, 3, 5. Whoops. Kamoon. Alright. This is the lowest orbit I have been in, except for going through the atmosphere, and I got a really bad feeling about this. Mostly because I can't see down there, and I don't know how close I'm getting. I think that the highest peak on the moon is only like 2 kilometers. I'm at 10, so I should be fine. Keyword, should. Nine. Alright. As long as it stays like that, I don't mind. 99996. Alright. So let's just go ahead and, like... Ooh, what if... Just, what if... Now, the velocity of the moon right now, orbiting Kerbin, is 2,038 meters per second. What if... Okay, the moon right here, prograde right now, so that's what I've got it set as. So if I put a negative in, it'll make it retrograde. So what if we dropped it, oh, I don't know, just 38 meters per second? I'd drop more than that. Let's go like 100. Huh, it's not changing. It doesn't look like it's... The velocity is changing, not by much though. Let's go negative 1,000. Well then. So, we're on an escape trajectory out of the Kerbin system. Huh. That's not what I hoped for. And we're actually traveling rather fast. I don't know, we're not just... The altitude's changing rather quickly. So... What is... Okay, I'm just really getting confused here right now. Let's go ahead and set that. Now, what does that little white line represent? Is that the moon's orbit or something? Well, its altitude is dropping, so I'm guessing we will crash into Kerbin very soon. Oh my god, okay, we gotta watch this. Oh. Okay, this is like the end of the world going on right now. Oh. How far can I zoom out? Well, that's interesting lighting effect. Huh. Okay, so I just seen the moon is in the atmosphere actually right now, and we're gonna touch any second now. Oh god, I can really see the gap closing. I can't tell when we've touched. I'm sure the game will crash when we do. Or are we passing through it? Okay, well, this is interesting. Where does that put us, though? Uh-oh. Yeah, we are gonna... Yeah, we're gonna die pretty soon, I think. Unless we're passing through Kerbin as well, because the moon is passing through it. Huh. Alright. Yeah, we're passing through it as well. Huh. Okay. We just broke physics. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna pass out on the dark side, I guess? Or circle around through here? I don't know. We're gonna come out the dark side of the Earth. Yeah, now where are we gonna go from here, though? Oh, now we're back into an orbit. I'm kind of curious, though. Where is the moon getting its ever-increasing velocity from? Oh, there it goes back down. All right. So let's play around some more with this real quick. Let's focus here on Kerbin. Edit orbit. Kerbin. All right. So. Oh, things are gonna get awfully hot here very soon. Wow, that's close. Only 1 billion meters, which is like what, 100 million kilometers or something like that. I don't know. Wow. Yeah, we're pretty close. Okay, this is a very interesting experience right about now. Oh, okay, so what would happen? Just an idea. If we took Kerbin and put it with Jool. I don't know if Jool has an inclination, which doesn't look like it does. So, very little bit. Very little bit. Alright, so let's try to match that inclination. That's about as close as I think I'm going to be able to get it. Don't know what this means, but oh, position basically. Okay, so just So now we should get a very interesting picture here in just a moment. Oh look, there's a Powell, whatever it is. Oh crap. Did not mean to touch that one. There we go. Okay. So let's see what Jool looks like from up close, orbiting the moon. And we're on the wrong side. Yeah, we're on the wrong side. I think. No, we're on the wrong inside. Okay, so when I see it, we're almost in their sphere of influence. Almost. Let's go to active vessel. Let's 100, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 of Kerbin set. Crap, why does it keep doing that? It's like the moon slingshotting us out or something. Alright, I'll take that. I can get more time warp. Because right here, we can probably get in their sphere of influence. I don't know, because that inclination. Let's, Kerbin graphical. Crap. There we go. So after some time passes, okay, I'm back, and I was trying to get us closer to Jool quicker, and I did something, and it kind of messed something up, because the Soyuz is over there, traveling out of the solar system. Kerbin's over here, and Jool's over here. Yeah, we're orbiting Jool. So that's a good thing, and the moon is still in its extremely close place, and Nimbus is still a regular altitude. Okay, so edit in orbit, editing Kerbin, perfect. Period. Oh, good lord, that put us close. See how close we can go. Boom. Just take it in all the way. I hit that. Oh, okay, it shows that. I didn't want to see that. I wanted to see this. Whee! Oh, that's pretty cool. The moon following around. Whee! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Haha! Let's see. 5 million meters. Let's. I kind of am surprised that the game has not crashed. I figured as soon as they touched, you know, it would be like chaos. So now, we're going to edit Jool's orbit and take it into the sun. Yay! No one likes these big gas giants anyway. And yes, I mean both gas giants. Alright. All of our planets are still orbiting. And I can't get it any closer. Well, actually, negative 5,000. So. Okay, so we're now basically on a crash course with the sun. Let's see what happens. That just passes right through. Okay, that's one thing I think would be pretty cool if they changed in the game. Whee! If you are epileptic, look away now. Whee! Wee, 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 wee. Okay, so that's enough wee all the way home. So anyway, that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you next time. Wait, I just had an idea. Brilliant idea. Using HyperEdit, you could edit the orbit of Kerbin, for example. Place it near Duna, for example, because any planet could work. And therefore, you could land on any planet very easily. As in launching from one sphere of influence straight to the next, using very little delta V. Brilliant idea indeed. Anyway, see y'all next time.